Ayan. Ayan lang yung Dollar General. Tatawid lang kami. And ayan na siya. So, super convenient. Kasi nga, malapit lang kami dito. So, pagka mayroong kailangang bilhin, ayan lang. Mabilis lang. Tatawid ka. Hello everyone! Welcome to Zeta's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. So, for today, we are just going to Dollar General to check kung merong spaghetti meatballs ingredients. Kasi magluluto daw si Richie ng spaghetti meatballs. Malapit lang siya. Yung Dollar General walking distance. Dyan lang siya in front of our house. Ayan. Ayan lang yung Dollar General. Tatawid lang kami. And ayan na siya. So, super convenient. Kasi nga, malapit lang kami dito. So, pagka mayroong kailangang bilhin, ayan lang. Mabilis lang. Tatawid ka. Walang masyadong tao dito. Konti lang yung kanilang customers. Ayan, walang tao. Kami lang yata yung tao dito. Maliit lang siyang store. Pero marami ka rin naman mabibili. What are we getting? This is worth it. Yeah, that one is for that.
I wish they had non-pivoting head.
This is for that.
This
This is $1. Let's just get them.
They only have one blade.
Well, it's for you, actually.
We need two blades.
For men, this is for men.
That's a freaking blade.
This one is $1.
Here. These are
Hi, Zeta.
these ones.
Are you getting that for you? This is for me.
You don't need these ones. You need these ones.
How much is this?
It's $1.50.
So, ito $1.50.
I love finding cotton balls.
Cotton balls.
Hey, wait, look. Do they have babies?
Yeah.
These are too small.
I think this one.
This one's also weird.
But that's how her binkies looks like.
I know, but it'd be
Look
nice.
at the binky.
It'd be nice if they had ones that weren't weird that were for her.
Love, these are the bibs. $6. But this is for boys. This one.
0 to 6. This is 0 plus. I don't know. I just gotta use the binkies that she's got because she don't like them.
Yeah.
Why does this say 0 to 6?
Just 0 to 6 months.
This is the small. Maybe let me see this. That's like the same, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's almost the same. So
What's-
maybe she will like that.
But she's more than 0 months.
0 plus.
Yes.
0 plus months.
This is
How much is that?
4.
$4 for 2. Loved it. 0 to 6 months. No. Cotton ball slab.
Ooh, this stuff cotton.
That's not cotton. Love, can I get this?
I was gonna get that, and you said no. Get Aveeno.
I'm gonna get this.
You said to get Aveeno.
No, this is for face.
Where does it say that?
Moisturizing cream. This one is better, love. How much is that? That's $5. This one is 3.
Give it to her, see if she approves.
Baby, you like this one? Mm.
She's disinterested.
So, tapos na kami dito sa Dollar General. Nabili naman namin lahat ng kailangan namin. Kasi daw magluluto sila ng spaghetti meatballs. And nakakatuwa kasi kami lang yung customer dito. So, yan. Diyan lang kami nakatira. Across the street. Kasi nakakatakot
Way back here.
dito kasi ang daming sasakyan.